Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to continue working on the Tamiya TRF104 Chassis kit. Today we're going to work on steps 10 through 13, which is to assemble and install the front upper arms. So let's get started. Alright, we're going to start right here, and we're going to need everything in the B parts bag. Alright, so we're going to start right here, and this piece is going to be this right here. Top and bottom looks the same, and we need to find 4 of these 5mm ball studs. Alright, we're done with this piece. Let's go ahead and build this steering rod. Okay. Let's grab one. This time they want the little notch here on the left side instead. So this side is going to be righty-tighty, where the notch is. And on the opposite side, it's going to be lefty-tighty. And I need to grab my calipers to make it 25.2mm. I'll be darned, I got it exactly. However, there are circles on these turnbuckles, and I need one circle to be turned downward and one facing me. So I got this one facing me, so I'm just going to turn this one. Okay, so I got that circle right here. So this is going to be facing down, and then I got the circle here. So this one is ready. So let's bring in the chassis, and we're going to do 2 things right now. We're going to put on the steering link to the servo, the one we just built. And we're also going to mount this. So this is going to be, I think, those 3. So there's a diagram right here. We need to have these studs most forward on these holes right here. And then you can refer to page 21 for tuning options later on. So I'm just going to build it as is, like this. And we need 2 washers and 2 screws. I made 3. I recognize those screws. No, that's not one. So really straightforward. And we need to make sure the circle is pointed down, and looks like the notch is also facing the front of the car. So let's see if I can do this. Okay, and then this one, the circle is right there. All right, got both. So step 11 is complete. Let's work on some more. Let's work on the upper arms. So we're going to be right here. This looks like we're going to need, I think these are a little bit different. These are going to be these 2 right here. The arms are a little bit different, but these 2 are the same. So we need to leave 13 millimeter. Let's see how long they are. All right. Oops. They're not super long. Maybe just a couple more turns. I think that's pretty close. I'm going to do that one. All right, I think those are ready. Now let's do this arm first. Is A10, and we have to kind of note the alignment of the arms here. So let's grab those. A10 is the right side, so it's going to be this one. Okay, so we're going to put this in there, and this time we're going to leave 15.5 millimeters out. And let me see how long that is. 15.5. So it's going to be about halfway through there. I think I better grab the vise. And now we're going to put this in there. Put this on there. All right. Let's see how we did. 13 millimeters, 15.5 millimeters. We went way too far. I'm gonna back that out quite a bit. I think that's going to be really close. And you have to watch the alignment. So I think I'm done with this side. Okay, let's look at this. Okay, so let's do the same for the other one. I think we're there. All right, let's see. Finally done with that. Let's move on to putting these onto the chassis. And this was the right side, so we're going to put that here. We're just going to snap that on. See if I can do this by hand. Okay. There we go. Very interesting geometry and how these things come together. Like I said, this is my first F1 car, and I'm learning a lot about how they come together. It's very interesting. So we're going to be done with today's video. We worked from steps 10 to 13, which is to build and install the front upper arms. If you're watching this in advance as a member, I want to thank you for becoming a member. If you're watching this sometime in the future, please consider subscribing. Hit that like button. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.